Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Fold5, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off fast charging. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Battery and Device Care. Then tap on Battery, scroll all the way down, hit More Battery Settings, and after scrolling down one last time, click on this switcher next to Fast Charging. This way you will switch it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!